Photo consents, make sure everyone, even if they're friends and family, make sure they sign photo consents and waivers. And also your consent to treatments, even though they may be friends, family, they may be getting a free treatments, whatever, have them cover your butt, have them sign that consent. Make sure they sign it. And so, you know, if anything does go wrong or if they have complaints or something, you can say, hey, you signed this consent, you know the risk, you know the benefits. Or even if like clients come in and they have like unrealistic expectations, your consenting process, make sure that they're really, really aware. Like, you're not gonna look like Kylie or Kim after this treatment. It's just not gonna happen. Or just one syringe of filler is not gonna do it. But I'm consenting you, and I'm letting you know it's not gonna do it. Upsell, like do a Botox special and just say like, with a purchase of 20 units of Botox, receive $100 off filler syringe. Then you can have two encounters with the patient. And just always try to like get them in. If you tell them get one half off if you bring a friend, etc. You know, just try every which way to get people in initially. You know, as you start to build the business, you don't have to do that. Also, keep in mind, if you're really low on the prices and you can't shoot up prices, so find a happy medium. Give them like a sales deal, a sales special, or grand opening special. But definitely don't say this is the price for it, because they come in the next month. These are going to be regular customers. If they come in the next month and the prices are higher, they're going to be upset. So don't do it. Just say like, I'm giving you 25% off because you purchased this, or it's a grand opening special. But yeah, be really, really aware of your pricing strategies, and don't try to cut the prices, because let me tell you why. Your pricing should reflect the market area that you're in, where like LA versus, you know, like somewhere else. Anyway, it should reflect where you are. It also, your prices should reflect the amount of risk that you're taking. So IV hydration, it's not as risky as like a filler for your nose or under eye. Like, you won't get blindness from IV hydration. So that's why it's cheaper than like fillers. But if you cut down your prices on your fillers, are you really even making money? So if you're not making money, what is the point of taking all that risk? So just keep that in mind. Keep all of these things in mind. I know the first thought is to like cut prices so people come in, but also keep in mind that, you know, the risk of like, you can do some damage, but you're charging nothing and you didn't even make money off of this. And then B, people like with these kind of products, people are going to be like, why is this so cheap? There's something wrong with this, you know, or I'm not going to go there. It just doesn't, you know, this is my face. I don't want like cheap. It's so bizarre, like the thinking, like coming from the other sides. So really, really pay attention to your pricing strategy. If you do discount prices, do like specials and stuff like that, and just say it's a special. These are not, you know, not reflective of normal pricing.